Okay, folks, we have the Blackmagic Intense Graphene Quick Detailer. Shine, slickness, and protection. We will be testing this as a drying aid. So, yeah. If you pause the video, great. You can read how the product is used, spray on, and basically buff right off. So you shake it well. So we're gonna try a couple of sprays per panel, and we will see exactly what happens. Maybe 3 sprays, 4. All right, grab our towel here, and we're gonna wipe it off. Flip it over. Now the car is clean. I just washed it, so look at that though. Nice. Okay, gonna finish up the rest of the car and we'll see what happens. Okay, so I did the whole car with the Blackmagic Intense Graphene Quick Detailer. And like I said, I use it as a drying aid. A little bit about the product. It does smell good. I didn't see any black flakes to indicate the graphene, but I may not have shaken it well enough. But all in all, I believe it did a nice job. It was very easy to put on, very easy to take off. I did miss a spot when I was washing, like right in here, and it took it off just fine. I had to go back on the hood after I dried it because I had streak marks. I guess I didn't get to it in time. But even with the dry surface, it was still easy on, easy off. Super lubricated, so it's definitely, you know, got something in it to help with the scratch resistance. It also is about 17 bucks, between $15 and $17 for this. I noticed everything has gone up. I use it on my glass, the windshield, the side, the mirrors, the front windshield, sunroof, moonroof, whatever you want to call it. I mean, I might buy it again. In fact, I'm pretty sure I might. I mean, I will, because I don't know. It just seems to really, I don't know, give it a nice pop with the glass and the paint. I mean, it's just like any other quick detailer. I don't recommend doing it on a heavily dirty car. I mean, if it's got like a light bit of dust on it, I would see no issues with that because it's, you know, designed for that. But anything heavier than that, like a week of rain or something, I would not use this product on it for fear of scratching. I don't even use these quick detailers to remove light dust. Just because I panic, and I got Nissan paint, so the paint, well, the clear coat is super soft, and I'm not gonna risk putting any more scratches on this thing that's, you know, than what's already there. Just because, well, I hate polishing. So yeah, guys, I think it's worth to check it out. Be patient when you do this. You know, as you saw in the beginning of the video, I sprayed it on the wet surface, and then I took the towel over it and I flipped it over, and then I showed you the after results. I did have to go back over with a second dry towel to finish buffing it off. hence those streak marks I was just telling you about, which was here on this side of the hood. Yeah, it's a pretty good product. I mean, I don't expect it to last forever. I don't expect it to, you know, perform 100% in, you know, all conditions, but it gives you some protection, and it gives you a nice clean look on your car. It gives you a good shine. It worked on my chrome. I didn't do my license plates with it, but I used it on the headlights, the taillights. I think I've used it on my rims once, but that'll be another story later on. So yeah, I'd say for the money, it's worth it, especially if you need a quick drying aid. It didn't take me very long to do it. I think the worst part of the whole deal was having to actually do it. I mean, aside from that, it was quick, it was easy, and there's still daylight outside, so that's a bonus. All right, guys, thank you for watching, and have a good day.